want to do another spoiler. If you haven't seen Ginkation yet, this is a spoiler from it, I recommend not seeing it. I was going to say, what up is with Lapise Lasalie running off with the barn? I mean, that's kind of ridiculous. And honestly, she's afraid of getting caught or caught in a war. Isn't she worried? Isn't it kind of weird, strange for a barn to be floating in space? I mean, that is going to be obvious, and that's going to be obvious that she's running away from Earth. So that may actually cause a war or something. I don't know. Probably not cause a war, but it is going to cause a problem. Like, what up with her in a barn in space? I understand they were going to miss their home, but why couldn't Lapise Lasalie just leave? I mean, she left everything. That Peridot could have just stayed there in the barn. She actually missed the barn, and plus, how could you work all that stuff when there's when all the pipes are not even hooked into the ground? Because if you notice at the bottom of the barn, of course, like any other place, there's like pipes, and the pipes came out of the ground, so how is the TV gonna work? I understand she has magic, but still, strange. And stuff. And don't get me started on Steven in that episode. Ugh, he was so, like, kiddie-ish. He was so addicted to his device. Don't be like Steven. Or do it. I don't recommend it, but if you want to, by all means. I'm just saying, the point is, he was kind of like, well, that's another video for another time, but still, I didn't like how Lapise Lasalie left Peridot. That was kind of wrong. I mean, they were living together. They were roommates, and Peridot really missed her. She didn't want her to go, and then she just left because she didn't want to be caught in a war. I don't think she even was after seeing that, I don't think she'll ever, and I don't think she'll be a full crystal gem anytime soon. However, Peridot is a crystal gem. She was kind of forced to be a crystal gem, but she's a crystal gem. But technically she had no choice because she couldn't return back to her homeworld. Which is another thing for another time. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace, peace, peace. Bye. Adios.